I'm so excited! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Elina. Of course, you clicked on the video, so you know we are doing a vintage basics thrift haul today. And this is kind of like a continuation of the other haul I did, where I'm really looking to upgrade my basics in my wardrobe. And because I love vintage, I search for vintage basics. Although the other video was very, very basic, I think this one is a little more exciting, a little more like unusual stuff. Let's dig in. I have this huge package. This is not sponsored in any way. I'm just like kind of showing you because then you know where I buy from. And also to let you know that I haven't opened this. So it will be a first reaction to the things that I've got here. And I will also do a try on. I actually bought bras, but I mean, that's not, let's not do that. Full transparency of what this box contains. Let's see. Oh yeah, I bought this kind of, it's like a jersey sweatpant bubble skirt thing. And I just thought it was really cute. It has these ruche detail on the pocket. And also I'm doing this again. Yes, very very good look for me. This is the epitome of the realistic dancer aesthetic that I love right now. This is a Uniqlo skirt. Uniqlo skirt. And this is like a tube top built-in bolero top. And this is from Donna by Hall Huber. And I just really like the dark brown shade. And also, obviously, I like a tube top with a bolero kind of fit. I've just really tried to move away from black in my neutrals. Oh, and yeah, I think these are like early 2000 pieces. I have been wanting this type of top for such a long time. It's like a vest suit top, but I really love the cap sleeve. And this is like an old H&M, very 2000s, very Rachel Green in Friends kind of vibe. Another bolero. This is a viscose bolero, and if I remember correctly, it is, yes, it is made in Italy. So that's why I chose this bolero over all the other boleros that was on the site. And just a black mini skirt. I think this will sit like low-waisted, and I really love the little like slit down at the front. It looks kind of big. I just hope it fits. This is not to like glamorize shopping or anything. I really need to upgrade my basics in my wardrobe because you can't have like all statement pieces like over the top. At least my wardrobe cannot contain just only those sort of pieces. And it was time. I haven't invested in my own wardrobe for such a long time. I always search for pieces to my vintage shop, Vintage Sphere. So this was just a long overdue. I think this is going to be like a divider between people. It is a poncho, a dark brown poncho with this little flower on. I mean, come on. This is adorable. Like kind of off shoulder. Oh, and I can also, the flower can be detached. Oh, and I can put it on something else too. And I got myself a denim mini skirt that I was talking about. Hopefully it will fit. I think it looks really good. Here's the back pocket, just like really simple, nothing too like crazy about it, not like too in your face Y2K, although it is, or say, like 2000s skirt. Low-waisted and mini. I think this will look really good with the thicker black tights, boots, and a cozy cardigan, like a tight-fitting cardigan in the fall. Full transparency. Is that what it's called? Transparency? I really love this outfit. This skirt is borderline too big though. Realistically, this is gonna bother me. So unfortunately, I will be sending this one back. And now, I don't know if you noticed, but I have another thing here that I bought at a circular mall. Filippa K 90s viscose or silk blend. I don't actually know. The tag is so bleached that you can't see the composition anymore. I just love that it falls so flattering, and also this kind of exaggerated pointed collar, kind of like a 70s. I mean, it is 90s, that's 70s style. A really good elevated basic. I'm genuinely so excited for exactly everything that I got today. It's just too bad that the skirts were too big. The black mini skirt and the denim skirt I will be sending back, and the search continues to find the perfect mini skirts for me this fall. But all the other stuff, it's so great, and I just can't wait to wear them this fall. I would love to know which one you like the most, and maybe you can give me a little like too to let me know that you're here. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I would really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I love you the absolute most, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye!